Hi, I'm Yuri Bogler, co-founder and COO of Project Pals. In this video, I'll briefly introduce you to Project Pals, explaining why we created the platform, what is Project Pals, and how to get started. We all know that managing classroom projects with pencil and paper or across several disconnected platforms can be challenging to administer, monitor, and assess. We also know that collaborative classroom projects are very rewarding, which is why we created Project Pals, to streamline the management process so that projects can be rewarding and easy to manage. Project Pals is an all-in-one platform used to manage classroom projects and brainstorming activities to promote deep learning. Think of it as a digital whiteboard, except with task management, a curriculum catalog, and the ability to manage student engagement. It's perfect for grades 4 and up and higher education, across all subjects, including interdisciplinary projects. For a simple brainstorm on a character in a book, to far-ranging projects such as science fairs, research, and even building a school garden, Project Pals can support all of your project needs. In Project Pals, you can create an original project or use a pre-made standards-based project from our catalog. The projects include instructions, resources, tasks, visual scaffolds, and assessment rubrics to guide students throughout the project. Students in your class will start a copy of your project with all of the scaffolds awaiting them. The collaborative student work, from brainstorming to research and mind mapping, occurs in the project workspace, which is updated in real time, enabling students working remotely to see each other's contributions without having to refresh the page. As a teacher, you can see all of the student work as it happens and provide instant feedback. You even have access to project analytics for a transparent view, quantifying team and individual contribution to the project. Finally, a major benefit of designing in Project Pals: you can reuse and assign the project for years to come. Now that you've seen how Project Pals is transforming the classroom project experience, let's get started. The best way to get started is to use one of our starter projects in the catalog designed specifically for new teachers and students to test drive Project Pals in just 1 to 2 class periods. To get started, navigate to the catalog. The starter projects are featured in the top row. They are simple and universal, focusing on digital citizenship topics like oversharing and cyberbullying, relevant to teachers and students across grade levels and subjects. Click on the project to preview it. Watch the short video explaining how to use the project, and take a look at the corresponding model project with sample student work, our version of a teacher guide. You can also view the project in read-only mode to review the scaffolds in detail. If the starter projects are shorter and less sophisticated than your typical project, don't be alarmed. This training pathway is intentional. From our experience, teachers that use starter projects learn how to use Project Pals faster and more effectively than those that begin with more advanced projects. That's because learning technology is different than applying pedagogy. This holds true regardless whether you are a project-based learning expert or new to PBL. And let me assure you that this platform supports projects at all levels of complexity, from 4th grade literacy projects about Aesop's fables to high school and higher ed projects investigating the disappearance of honeybees. After you have administered 1 or 2 starter projects, you will quickly progress to more advanced projects from our catalog or your own creation. So with no further ado, navigate to the catalog to find your first starter project.